Today, we're reviewing a really practical and genuinely useful smart home upgrade, the WELOCK Smart Lock. And just so you know exactly what I'm testing here, the specific model I'm checking out is the U81 version, which is designed to fit Euro profile doors, including the narrow European styles that a lot of other smart locks don't work with. If you've been looking for a keyless entry, app control, smart home features, and an easy installation without replacing your entire lock hardware, this is one of the simplest and cleanest solutions around. The WELOCK Smart Lock comes with everything you need. A simple installation guide, the smart lock cylinder itself, front and rear cover plates, several RFID cards, a silicone sleeve, screws, lock cylinder extension, a pair of keys, and an Allen key. The WELOCK Smart Lock replaces only the cylinder inside your door. You don't need to drill anything, change your handles, or modify the door. If your door uses a Euro profile cylinder, the lock simply slides in. The U81 model in particular is designed to fit narrower European doors, which is something many other smart locks struggle with. Installation is extremely simple. You slide out the old cylinder, insert the new smart lock, tighten the screw, and you're done. There's no drilling, no cables, and no specialist tools required. Most people can install it in 10 to 15 minutes. Because it doesn't damage the door, it's also ideal for renters. You can take it with you when you move out. The lock gives you 6 different ways to get into your home. The fingerprint sensor reacts quickly and accurately. The illuminated keypad supports PIN codes, and you can disguise your code by entering random numbers before or after it for extra privacy. You can tap an RFID card, which is ideal for kids, guests, or elderly relatives. You can unlock using Bluetooth through the WELOCK app. And if the battery ever dies, you always have the emergency physical key as a backup. The last way to use the lock is with Alexa voice control and remote unlocking, but these options only work if you also have the Wi-Fi Box 3. When paired with the Wi-Fi Box 3, the lock becomes fully remote. You can unlock it from anywhere in the world, view real-time access logs, share temporary or scheduled PIN codes, and get instant notifications whenever the door opens or closes. It also integrates with Alexa and Home Assistant, making it easy to tie into your entire smart home system. For Airbnb owners or rental properties, this makes check-ins and check-outs incredibly effortless. And just so we're clear, the Wi-Fi Box 3 is not included by default. It's sold separately unless you specifically choose the bundle that comes with it. One thing I really appreciate is that the WELOCK Smart Lock works with the WELOCK app without even having the Wi-Fi Box 3. Your phone can connect directly to the lock using Bluetooth, which means you can unlock your door locally, manage fingerprints, create or delete PIN codes, assign RFID cards, and adjust settings, all while you're physically near the door. The lock uses 4 AAA batteries. Under regular use, you can expect around a year of battery life. When the battery level drops to about 4.5 volts, the lock alerts you, giving you plenty of time to replace them. And even if you ignore the warning, the physical key ensures you're never locked out. In everyday use, the lock performs consistently well. The fingerprint scanner is responsive, the keypad works flawlessly, RFID cards unlock instantly, and Bluetooth control through the app is stable and reliable. One feature that genuinely impressed me is just how much access control this lock can handle. It supports up to 200 different PIN codes, 100 fingerprints, and 199 RFID cards. You can also assign up to 10 administrators and manage up to 190 regular users at the same time. Now that level of capacity makes it perfect for larger households, shared properties, small offices, and especially Airbnb or rental hosts who need a lot of flexibility. The auto lock feature is one of my favourites. Once the door closes, the lock automatically secures itself after a short delay of around 7 to 14 seconds, which gives real peace of mind. The U81 model normally retails for around €249 on the WELOCK official website. But right now, you can use the coupon code VD50 to bring the price down to €199, which is a really solid deal for a smart lock with this level of capability. Direct purchases also include free shipping from European and UK warehouses, a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 2-year warranty, and a free automatic 3-year warranty extension when you buy from their official site. If you want the smart home features, remember that the Wi-Fi Box 3 is sold separately unless you choose the bundle. After fully testing it, the U81 version of the WELOCK Smart Lock is reliable, easy to install, extremely flexible, and packed with useful smart features, especially if you choose to pair it with the Wi-Fi Box 3. For anyone with a Euro profile door looking for a modern keyless entry system, this is definitely one I can recommend. If you found this review of the WELOCK Smart Lock helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which access method you'd use the most: fingerprint, PIN code, or app control. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.